Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to channel for practical strategies to grow your income, create new income streams, and live financially free. Today's topic is going to open your mind to something incredibly powerful, and best of all, absolutely doable by anyone watching this video. Whether you're a student, someone between jobs, a stay-at-home parent, or simply curious about earning online, this video is for you. Have you ever thought you need years of experience or expensive training to start making money online? What if I told you that there are actual Fiverr gigs you can start with absolutely zero skills? Yes, zero. Today, I'm going to walk you through a wide variety of Fiverr gigs that require no previous experience, no technical knowledge, and no fancy degrees. And before you start thinking it sounds too good to be true, stay with me. These aren't scams or shortcuts. These are real gigs with real demand and real people making real money. Let's dive into it. Number 1, what is Fiverr and why it matters? Fiverr is one of the largest freelancing platforms in the world. It connects service providers with clients looking for digital services. Initially, Fiverr was known for offering gigs of $5, but today it has evolved into a platform where people earn hundreds and even thousands of dollars per project. What makes Fiverr stand out is its accessibility. Anyone can sign up. You don't need to go through interviews or certifications. All you need is a service to offer a decent profile and consistency. Now, many people assume that you must be a graphic designer, video editor, or coder to make it on Fiverr. That's simply not true. There are hundreds of gigs that anyone can start with no experience. These gigs don't require technical expertise, just your time, creativity, and willingness to learn basic tools. Number 2, the psychology of low-skill gigs, why clients still pay. You might be wondering, if these gigs require no skills, why would anyone pay for them? It's simple. Most clients on Fiverr are business owners, marketers, content creators, or entrepreneurs. They're busy. They don't have time to do repetitive tasks, even if those tasks are simple. They're willing to outsource small jobs so they can focus on the bigger picture. This is where you come in. If you can take care of these small but important jobs, clients are happy to pay you. Your value doesn't come from having technical skills. It comes from saving someone else time and effort. Number 3, Fiverr gigs you can start with zero skills. Let's break down the most popular and profitable gigs you can start without having any prior skill or experience. I'll also explain what each gig involves, the tools you'll need, and how you can deliver great results. 1. Background removal from images. What you do: remove background for product or portrait photos. Tools you can use: remove.bg, Canva, Adobe Express. Why it works: e-commerce sellers and influencers need clean product images. Earnings potential: $5 to $50 per job, depending on quantity. 2. Virtual assistant tasks. What you do: data entry, calendar management, internet research. Tools you can use: Google Docs, Excel, Trello. Why it works: business owners often outsource small repetitive tasks. Earnings potential: $5 to $25 per hour. 3. Proofreading and grammar correction. What you do: check and fix basic grammar mistakes in documents. Tools you can use: Grammarly, Hemingway Editor. Why it works: many non-native speakers need content reviewed. Earnings potential: $5 to $30 per document. 4. Social media commenting and engagement. What you do: leave engaging comments on posts, manage inboxes. Tools you can use: none, just a good internet connection and consistency. Why it works: influencers and brands want to boost engagement. Earnings potential: $10 to $40 per task. 5. YouTube, video title and description writing. What you do: write click-worthy video titles and SEO-friendly descriptions. Tools you can use: ChatGPT, vidIQ, TubeBuddy. Why it works: YouTubers need help getting noticed. Earnings potential: $5 to $50 per job. 6. Transcription services. What you do: listen to audio and type what you hear. Tools you can use: Otter.ai Descript. Why it works: podcasters, YouTubers, and business coaches need transcripts. Earnings potential: $10 to $100 per hour of audio. 7. Canva graphic templates. What you do: Create simple templates using Canva. Tools you can use. Canva Free/Pro. Why it works. Small business owners want done-for-you designs. Earnings potential. $5 to $100 per template pack. 8. Motivational quote posts for Instagram. What you do. Design quote posts using templates. Tools you can use. Canva, Pablo by Buffer. Why it works. Influencers want content that boosts engagement. Earnings potential. $5 to $30 per batch. 9. Product naming or brand name suggestions. What you do. Come up with catchy names for businesses or products. Tools you can use. Namalix, your creativity. Why it works. Naming is difficult and clients are willing to outsource it. Earnings potential. $10 to $50 per gig. 10. Subtitles and captions for videos. What you do. Add text subtitles to videos. Tools you can use. Capwing, VD.io, Descript. Why it works. Subtitles improve accessibility and SEO. Earnings potential. $10 to $100 per video. Number 4. How to set up your Fiverr profile to stand out. Even if you're offering simple gigs, your Fiverr profile should not look basic. Here's some key things to include. A professional profile picture. A compelling bio explaining who you are and what you offer. Gig titles that are clear and searchable. Gig descriptions that focus on the value to the buyer. Attractive pricing tiers. Basic, standard, premium. A short intro video for your gig. FAQs to address common concerns. The more professional and clear your profile looks, the more trust you'll build with buyers. Number 5. Scaling your Fiverr gigs. Once you start getting orders and delivering good work, Fiverr begins to reward you by pushing your gigs to more buyers. Here's how to scale. Respond to messages quickly. Always deliver on time. Ask satisfied buyers for reviews. Create new gigs related to your successful ones. Increase pricing as demand grows. Over time, what starts as a $5 gig can evolve into a sustainable online business. Some Fiverr sellers earn over $5,000 per month doing simple services consistently. Avoiding common mistakes, ***. Many beginners give up too early. They expect instant results and don't invest time in optimizing their profile. Here's what you should avoid. Poor communication with clients. Low-quality work. Copy-pasting other sellers' gigs. Over-promising and under-delivering. Ignoring reviews and feedback. Remember, Fiverr is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. If you've watched this video till the end, you now know that you don't need any advanced skill to start making money online. Just the willingness to take action, learn basic tools, and stay consistent. There's a world of opportunity waiting for you on Fiverr. But the real question is, are you ready to start? Let me know in the comments. Which Fiverr gig are you planning to start first? Don't forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more real, practical, and step-by-step guides like this. Like the video if you found it helpful, and share it with someone who's looking to earn online without investing money. Your journey starts now. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching.